Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Alex in California on this RCI 99N4. Alex, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, just like you asked for. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. 250 watt slug. $25 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 125, about 130. Show you average power swing. Low. So we hit about 215, 220 average. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3. 600 watts. Alex, if you decide to run it all the way down, 25 watts. Hello. Still 600 watts. Alright, Alex. Hope you enjoy it, man. We're going to get it out there to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.